In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage user roles and permissions in Stack. This is a crucial skill for effectively controlling access and maintaining security within your project management system. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll head to the Stack login page, which is your gateway to all the functions within the application. Once you're there, look for the option to log in using Google. This is a handy feature that simplifies the login process by integrating your existing Google account information, eliminating the need to remember yet another username and password. After logging in with Google, you will be prompted to select your account. Make sure you click on the correct account to gain access to your specific projects and settings. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll find the account settings icon. Click on this icon to enter the detailed settings of your Stack account. The account settings area is where you can adjust various configurations to suit your project's needs. Within the account settings, search for the company user section. This part of Stack allows you to oversee all user participation in your company's account. Here you can see a list of existing users. To update the role of a specific user, look for the three dots next to their name. Click on these dots to reveal more options. From there, click on the Edit option. This will open a series of settings related to that user's role. You'll need to pay special attention to the role drop-down menu, as this is where you can adjust the level of access the particular user has. Understanding the customized roles that Stack offers is crucial. These roles include full access roles like account owner, estimator, and takeoff operator, each providing different levels of control and visibility over projects and information. For instance, account owners have full access, estimators can manage projects and documents, but their permissions can be modified, and takeoff operators can engage with projects without access to cost data. If you're looking to assign more restrictive permissions, consider using the viewer roles. These encompass roles like cost viewer, IT admin, project creator, and basic viewer. Each of these roles has a unique set of viewing and editing permissions tailored to varying project needs while ensuring certain protections, like preventing unauthorized access to cost data. Additionally, user permissions offer even further customization within these roles. These include capabilities like creating and managing projects, deleting projects, creating libraries, and editing account settings. Each of these permissions can be toggled according to what is best for your company's specific workflow and security protocols. But remember, the account owner role has all permissions automatically applied. Now you're equipped with